welcome to an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro in the silver colorway, and I think it's the 128GB variant. And this is the parcel that came through from Advance. It was pre-ordered like last week, and it came through yesterday. But I'm unboxing it today. So yeah, pretty much the price was 250,000 for the 128GB variant, and they actually delivered 1 week later after the pre-order. So let's unbox it now. There are some other goodies in here, but we'll just take a look at the phone for the start. This is it. Okay, hope you can see this. And this is how the box looks like. Okay. And the logo is matched to the color inside the phone. So it's a silver phone. And sorry, let me focus it. Okay, the other goodies in the bag are tempered glass for the phone, and a USB-C Type 2 Lightning, the USB-C adapter. And then we have a 6.1 cover. Okay. And then we have a Basus Lightning cable. And then we have a silver cover from the local market, and that's about it really. And let's take a first look at the phone. 1, 2, and 3. So that's how the 12 Pro looks. The phone itself looks just like this. And let me just take it off the box, leave it on the side for now. And you basically get a cable to charge your phone, and that's about it. It's just some paperwork with some Apple stickers inside, and that's about it really. There's nothing else. And the phone is just very shiny, and it looks like a piece of jewelry, and it's very nice to handle in person. It's got like a sheen kind of a satin look. It's a frosted glass, but it looks like a satin finish without any color. So that's the side. That's the triple cameras, and it's just look like a slab of jewelry. Okay, now for the first time, let's do this, which is very satisfying. That's about it really for this unboxing. It's a very short video, but so this is pretty much the accessories that we got: silver cover, a Basus Lightning cable, a black cover, a USB-C adapter, and a tempered glass. That's it. And thank you very much for joining us today on this unboxing video, and hope to see you again in a future video. Please give it a like and a subscribe to support our channel, and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye bye.